What's up guys, this is ExodusAblaze here, and in today's video I am going to talk about how to be a freelancer in 2021. So you're interested in being a freelance designer, illustrator, or video editor in the upcoming new year, and you are asking yourself, what do I do? Where do I start? Well, the first thing you're going to need is a portfolio. A portfolio is going to show clients your abilities and past work by showing what you have worked on. Depending on what type of freelance business you will be going into, you will need to develop your portfolio to attract the type of work you are looking for. For instance, say you are a graphic designer who makes thumbnails. You want to create a portfolio that showcases your thumbnails in the best way possible. And then if you are a video editor, you need to make sure that your portfolio can showcase videos that you have worked on. Some good places to get your own portfolio would be Squarespace, Wix, Behance, and the built-in portfolio maker you get with the Adobe suite. This is what I use for my portfolio. It was simple to set up and showcases both images and lets me embed my YouTube videos directly into my site so people can find my content easier. It also has a built-in contact page that links to your email, so that has been super helpful for getting work. Now, some of you are going to say, but Exodus, I don't have any work to show. I don't have any clients. Like, where do I get work? So after you figure out how you will make your portfolio, the next thing you'll need to know is how to get clients. Getting clients can be tough at first, so here are a few tips on how to get some work to showcase on your portfolio. Now, you will hear this a lot in other videos on how to get clients, and this does work, but you have to be very careful with this. If you do decide to do some free work, make sure that it's only a few projects. If you do too much work for free, people will not value what you do enough to pay you to do it. So you need to limit the amount of free work you do for people. I would start by doing some free work for people that you know so that they can send people your way when they are asked about who did the work for them. And then you're helping out a friend, you're helping out someone that is, already values you and would pay, but you're trying to learn. So that's something I did in the past. This is how I started getting clients and getting practice. The mistake I made was sometimes doing free work for people for exposure or to get them to work with me more after I was already doing paid work. This is a big no-no. Do not do this after you start charging for work. This not only made other people value my work less, it also made me value my time and work less than it was worth. Please learn from my mistakes. You can get clients by charging a small fee for your work and then slowly charging more over time based on how much time it takes you and how complicated the work becomes. This is a really good way to get clients, practice your craft, and get work for your portfolio. It will also help you understand what it is like being a freelancer and will help you price your things better in the future. This helps you grow as a freelancer and gives you creative freedom to make something that other people are going to want. As a freelancer, you might run into projects that you might not really want to work on, and you might not like the outcome of what you've made, but the client likes it, and they're paying for it, so you made money, but you might not want to showcase something that you've worked on and you're not proud of. So this gives you the freedom to make something that you are proud of and really get the kind of attention you want. You'll see many freelance designers doing this by creating logos and graphics for brands that don't actually exist. They create something cool, post to social media and on their portfolio, and gain clients from something they made in their free time. Another question I ran into as I was starting my freelance journey was, where do I find clients? You may be asking yourself this question as well. The answer to this is to have a good social media presence. Having a good presence on social media will give you access to pretty much all the clients you are going to work with. Every single successful business has their own website, their own Twitter account, their own YouTube channel, you name it, they have it. They have made it extremely hard to ignore them, and that is exactly what you need to do. You need to create multiple ways for people to contact you and notice your work. Once you have made a portfolio website, that will act as your main hub. This is where you want to direct people. You want to have all of your socials on there. You want to have all your best work. You want to show them information about you so they know you're a real person. You want to make your own YouTube channel. You want to make your own Twitter page, your own Instagram, Facebook, everything you think may benefit you and make it easier for clients to reach out to you. For example, I have my portfolio, which links to everything. I have my my YouTube videos posted there, which helps me promote my work. I have my Twitter there, which lets people get a closer look at my current projects before they go on my portfolio. I have my Twitch linked there, so if people want to see what I'm doing live, they can do that. If that's the kind of content they like, they can go to Twitch and watch me there. Then I have a link to my Discord in case they want to join my server or send me a DM. Whenever I am checking out someone's portfolio or content, I always take them a lot more seriously if they have consistency over all their platforms and have everything tailored to their brand. Another way to increase your following on social media and get more clients is to use networking to your advantage. You can network by working with other freelancers and collaborating with content creators. This is usually done by offering to work together in order to grow your brand while also giving the person involved something in return. I do this a ton with other creators and communities through giveaways, collaborations, or shoutouts. This also shows bigger brands that you are friendly and have potential to possibly advertise some of their products or services. This includes sponsorships, paid promotions, all that sort of stuff. The last thing you want to consider when freelancing in 2021 is creating multiple streams of income. Having multiple streams of income is going to give you stability in your everyday life and relieve you of stress. Whether that's something that connects to your freelance business or something completely unrelated, multiple sources of income will always benefit you. Good ways to start building these multiple sources of income are selling products online, creating YouTube videos to get sponsors and offering something to an audience, providing online courses. The list goes on and on. With these tips, you should have a head start on becoming a freelancer in the upcoming year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, make sure to drop a like and share this video with someone. If you would like to see more freelancing and design related content, make sure to subscribe. Drop a comment down below on what you think will be the most helpful tip for your freelancing journey. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.